I just did a full take and I didn't record it. KG, RoughToBeBuffTV, we got an exercise for you today. We're gonna be covering the Smith machine hip thrust. I got a 12 to 16 inch box here. I got a squat sponge or a hip thrust sponge. Now the setup is a little tricky. You're gonna have to get skinny and get between the box and the bar. You're gonna drop your butt down. The big thing here is making sure that your hip crease is aligned with the bar, and your upper back, right below your shoulder blades, is on the edge of the step box. Now, you can play with your feet. You can go narrow, you can go wide, you can go narrow base with like wide knees, which would be considered a frog pump. But for the sake of today, we're just gonna go hip width. Now from here, you're gonna posteriorly tilt your hips, chin down, keep your back straight. You're gonna be driving that bar up and unhooking. Now from here, you're just gonna drop down and drive up till you feel your glutes squeeze. This is a glute exercise, not a lower back exercise. This is not about how high you can get the bar. It's about how well you can squeeze your glutes. That's all this is, keeping the chin tucked down, driving and squeezing through the glutes. You can do a few isometric holds. You can do a few pump and holds, a few consistent pulses. Like I said, you can play with the distancing on the knees and the feet, and just a good squeeze in the glutes. Back, you're gonna pull, drop your hips down, and that's the set. Like I said, it's a little bit of a tricky setup, but there you have it. Smith machine hip thrust. This is a progression of the exercise, a subtle progression. She's using a mini band above the knees. See, she's securing the bar, driving through the hips, squeezing the glutes. That band is gonna add some abduction as she goes into extension through the hip. That's a good set, young lady. Burning those glutes. 15 reps, squeeze on the 15th. You heard it here first. It's a good exercise. That one feels good.